First, select the bay, and at the top of the screen, select Bay Details. In here, we could change the guardrail type for all levels. We could just change the top level guardrails. We can change the toeboard type and also the plank type. We can change the plank direction from parallel to perpendicular and also the face brace direction. The top elevation can be edited. For example, this would be useful if we were doing a hanging or suspended scaffold, and the ground elevation and height can be changed also. The base node elevation can also be changed at this instance. If we're working with netting or sheeting, we can add a top or bottom enclosure, and this can be used for asbestos removal or chemical works. At the very bottom, we can exclude scaffold units that are being used in the reporting when you open up the bill of materials. If we open the Sides tab, we can skip an entire side. So if we decide to skip the right-hand side, you will see this completely turns off every component, and we can turn it back on again. The ledger type can be changed, and the guardrail type can also be changed. And this can be done for each side. So in this case, we got 4 guardrails to the top side. The guardrail material can be changed, and we can also skip guardrails. So in this case, 1 and 3 will be skipped on the top side. We can change the bay brace type, so from a system component to tube and clamp, and also the bay brace direction. Our last tab controls the verticals within Avontus Designer. We could skip a leg, so it turns the whole leg completely off or on. We could change the header type, so for this case we could add a U-head. We could change the base type, and if the material is set up in the Material Master, we can add it. We can turn off the base collar. We can add the number of mud sills or sole pads required. We can extend the top up, the bottom down. We could type in a jack height or a base jack height. And we can rotate the top and also rotate the bottom base. So in this case, we'll rotate the top U-head by 90 degrees.